Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're diving into a super important topic, how to scan your cPanel for malware. In today's digital world, keeping your website safe and sound is a must. With cPanel being a popular web hosting control panel, it's packed with tools to manage your site. But guess what? It can also attract nasty malware attacks that can mess up your data, disrupt services, and harm your online reputation. So knowing how to scan your cPanel for potential threats is key. Let's jump right in and explore some cool strategies and handy tools to help you spot and get rid of malware, ensuring your website stays secure. First off, what is malware? Well, it's short for malicious software and includes nasty stuff like viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, and spyware. Each type works differently, but they all aim to cause trouble. Before you scan, you will need to prepare your site. 1. Backup your website. Think of this as your safety net. Use cPanel's built-in backup tool or a third-party service to create a full backup. This way you have a clean copy of your site if anything goes awry during the scan. 2. Update cPanel and website software. Outdated software can have vulnerabilities that malware loves to exploit. Make sure your cPanel, operating system, and all installed software, plugins, and themes are running the latest stable versions. 3. Choose the right tool. There are several great tools available. For example, since cPanel and WHM version 88, ImunifyAV has been integrated into cPanel and WHM. It's a free scanner that analyzes the files on your server and notifies you of any malware it discovers. You can also consider third-party options like Sucuri Security or Wordfence Security for more advanced features. Now, let's scan using cPanel's built-in malware scanner. Log into cPanel. Head to yourdomain.com/cPanel and log in. Locate the virus scanner. Scroll down to the security section and click on the ImunifyAV or Imunify 360 icon. Initiate a scan. Click on the Scan tab to start scanning your entire server. Wait for completion. Once done, you'll get the results. Next up is interpreting the scan results. If no threats are found, you're good to go. If threats are found, you'll get a list of infected files. You can disinfect, quarantine, or delete the infected files. The other option is using third-party malware scanners. 1. Sucuri integration with cPanel. Sign up for Sucuri. Install the plugin from the WordPress plugin repository and configure it in your WordPress dashboard. 2. Wordfence integration with cPanel. Install the Wordfence plugin, activate it, and follow the setup wizard. After detecting malware, we have to remove the detected malware. You can either opt for manual removal, log into cPanel, open the file manager, navigate to the affected files, and delete the infected files. Or automated removal tools. Use tools like Imunify 360 or Sucuri for a quicker cleanup. Finally, let's restore and clean backups. If things go south, you can opt to restore a backup. Log into cPanel, open Backup Wizard, find it under the File section. Select Restore option, choose what to restore, choose Backup File, pick the backup you want to restore, follow the prompts, complete the restoration process, and that's it. We've walked through the process of scanning cPanel for malware to keep your website secure. Remember, website security is an ongoing effort, so stay proactive. Perform a malware scan today, review your cPanel security settings, and keep your website safe. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.